I think that women are the bravest thing in the world. And
Oh, my grandma, she's a survivor of breast cancer, so I had to buy free balloons for her, and a free balloon for my friend girl's mom. She lost her mom to cancer, so I just bought a free balloon for her too.
to fight breast cancer and deal with the day-to-day life world and things that's going on is just like the best thing in the world. So why not give them a day?